So I'm back out here in the garden space again, and I've made a mess. Like, I've completely made a mess out here, so I'm gonna get that all cleaned up. And I'm also going to place a cattle panel archway in the front of our open gate. And so that's what I'm planning to do today. So now that we tidied this up just a little bit, we are going to go ahead and put up our arch first. Okay, so I actually decided to go ahead and paint these two T-posts before I put the cattle panel up. And so this is the same spray paint that I use to spray my outside windows, and I also use Rust Stop to do my do-it-yourself file cabinet planters. I use this Rust Stop paint, and so far so good over there. And so I will be using this for my other T-posts, but I really needed to focus on planting. So here is what it looks like. I'm so excited. It looks a little bit wonky. I could not get it to straighten out, but you know what? I'm still in love. I can't wait to see it covered in vines. I have some ivy that grows naturally all over our yard. So I'm between that and just having some grapevines over there, because y'all know, if you've been watching my videos, that I love an edible landscape. I have so much still planned for this space. It is transforming right before my eyes, and I couldn't be happier. Thank you guys for watching.